Hello, and thank you for joining us for today's Friday Flyby. Today we have a beautiful 2020 SR22 G6 Cirrus. This aircraft only has 460 hours total time, just had a Cirrus Service Center annual inspection completed, signed off this April, and this airplane is value priced at $915,000, has air conditioning, flight into known icing, and no damage history. This aircraft can be yours today. Give us a call. We'd love to talk to you about it. I'm Grant Sutherland with Airmark. Thank you.